Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Chili's queso. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of processed cheese like Velveeta and 1/2 cup of milk. Also, prepare your spices, chili powder, cumin, and a touch of cayenne pepper. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready. This easy guide will help you create a delicious, creamy queso perfect for sharing with 3 or 4 friends. Now let's start cooking. In your medium saucepan, combine the 1 pound of processed cheese, cut into cubes for faster melting, with the 1/2 cup of milk. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir the mixture continuously with your whisk. This constant motion prevents the cheese from sticking to the bottom and ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free base for your queso. With your cheese base smooth, it's time to infuse those signature Chili's flavors. Carefully stir in 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. This provides a wonderful, savory depth. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, which gives the queso its authentic, earthy aroma. Finally, for a subtle warmth, mix in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir everything thoroughly until all the spices are well combined. Your homemade Chili-style queso is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm and bubbling with your favorite tortilla chips, or even as a topping for tacos or nachos. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some freshly chopped cilantro or a few diced jalapenos. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.